Hi, welcome back to Math's Playground. Today we're going to turn a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, into the quadratic formula. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. So now if we take a out common, we have a times x squared plus b divided by ax plus c is equal to 0. So now if we get this ready for turning into a plus b whole square, then we have a times um x squared plus 2b by 2ax. Now we have to add b by 2a squared. Now we also have to subtract this because this was originally in the equation. So now we can close that. Plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so then we have a times, then we have a times um x plus b by 2a whole squared minus b squared by 4a squared plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so now let's make this easier. So we have a times x plus b by 2a whole squared um minus b minus b squared divided by 4a squared plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so since we were multiplying by a, we would have a ab squared instead of just b squared. Sorry, and then we would do a times x plus b by 2a. Since we have ab squared divided by 4a squared, we can turn this into minus b squared divided by just 4a plus c, because the two a's would cross out, because a divided by a is 1, and if you multiply anything by 1, it's the same number, or divide anything by 1, it's also the same number. So we have all of this equal to 0. So now to just keep the a times x plus b by 2a, x plus b by 2a squared on the left side, we can do this. So we have a times x plus b by 2a squared is equal to b squared divided by 4a minus c. I'm just going to move up here. Okay, so now let's simplify the right side. We have a times x plus b by 2a squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a. So now let's divide both sides by a. Then we have x plus b by 2a squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Now, if we take the square root of both sides, then we would have x plus b by 2a is equal to square root b of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we want the root of the parabola, which is x. So we would have x is equal to negative b plus, this would be plus minus, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4ac. We would have the plus minus square root of that because negative 2 squared is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Just taking a random example. So divided by 2a. Okay, so that is our quadratic formula. Now you won't have to memorize it, you know where it came from. Okay, so now that we have the quadratic formula, so we're going to let the roots of this parabola, these, where is the parabola crosses the x-axis, it's called the roots. The points where the parabola crosses the x-axis actually is called the roots. So let the roots be a and b. So a is equal to negative b by 2a plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And b is negative b by 2a minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so if we have the sum of roots, the positive square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a was crossed out with negative square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we would be left with negative 2b by 2a, which is equal to negative b by a. Okay, now for the product of roots, we would have, for the product of roots, we would have negative b by 2a squared minus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a squared. So that would become b squared divided by 4a squared minus b squared minus 4ac minus 4ac divided by so we would have negative b minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared too. So that would be b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. So the b squared minus b squared would be 0. So we would be left with negative 4ac divided by 4a squared cancel out, and we would be left with negative c by a. So that is the sum and product of fruits. So now, since we know the sum of fruits and the product of fruits, try to find out what the difference of the roots would be. Good luck, and see you next time.